Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. I hope you're all having an amazing week. Currently it is Friday, the trading week is coming to an end for the traditional markets and Bitcoin is getting a nice bullish bounce that I was talking about in my previous video, just exactly from the level right here, the value area low of this whole range that we have been trading in since February the 6th, right here, the first major sharp drop towards 60k, and right now you can see we have held above this level that I was talking about, which is right now pretty nice. Bitcoin is trying to break back above the monthly pivot, excuse me, right here, and the weekly open. We are currently trading back above the weekly open level. We have regained and closed some 4-hourly candles above the 200 EMA, which is potentially going to give us room for a nice momentum move up towards 65.6 or all the way up towards $67,000 to sweep this high right here at the point of control, the POC, basically where most of the volume has been traded at this range. Now, if we look at the short term, the 15-minute time frame, you can see it clearly right here, this whole move from this bounce right here. We have, if you look at this level right here, from this bottom, CVD started to rise up, open interest started to go down, which means there were short positions starting to open here, and these short positions are fueling right now our move towards the upside, which is pretty nice to see. As I have told you, we need to reclaim the weekly open level in order for us to consider a actual move towards the upside. Now, a bit concerning for today is that the daily pivot has not been tested yet. You can see it got front run once the daily opened. We did not quite manage to hit this level, but still this does not mean that we need to go back all the way down to retest the daily pivot in order for us to continue being bullish for the day. This could also mean that we are actually more bullish, since of course that momentum while front running this level is going to give us a stronger move, since we have left probably lots of people that were trying to get in at this level right here. So price, the market makers, front ran those people, and right now we are going up without them, which is also what we want to see for a potential bigger move towards the upside. Of course, if we look at Ethereum, same thing right here. You can see it went down, retested the weekly pivot, the EMA's cluster right here as support, and right now we are struggling just around the weekly open. And if it manages to get back above the weekly open level, I believe we are going to test this high again right here, which is sitting just around 1850. So this is going to be the next level that we are going to be looking at for Ethereum for today. Of course, stock market right now is a bit on the slower side of things, but still the stock market is trading high, which is also going to give us that potential momentum that we need and strength that we need for Bitcoin to continue pumping higher. Of course, we need to look at the dollar as well. The dollar seems to have found a bottom right here, but right now the important thing is that we have not swept this wick right here, which means we front ran this low, and this could give us another move down to actually take out this level right here, which is of course going to give Bitcoin that nice momentum once the dollar starts dropping for us to continue going towards the upside. And also on the liquidation heat map, you can see it clearly right here. We are going on right now. We front ran this liquidity towards the downside that I was talking about, and we seem to be going right now for the liquidity on top, which is just around 64.8 all the way up to 65.1k. So those are going to be the next major targets for Bitcoin, of course. And once we sweep this liquidity, we might even grab the liquidity a bit higher. This is also possible, and then we are going to be looking for the liquidation sweep lower. That will be, of course, if price does not continue to push even higher And if we start flipping the PUC level right here, if we start flipping this level, guys, as support, and we get above it, then the value area high of this level will become a potential zone to look for a rejection, or basically even just a target, which is going to be all the way up towards $74,000. So watch out for that as well. Total market cap also, we have still not broken this bearish structure right here on the total market cap. But if today we start pushing above this level, then expect that move to continue higher. Fear and greed index right now is at 30. Sentiment keeps rising, as you can see right here. It keeps changing. And right now we are sitting at 30 in that fear zone. So if we get one more move towards the upside, we are going to be back at 40, which is going to take us in this neutral zone level again. And this is where we're going to be starting and anticipating a move back down, of course. Spot ETFs, you can see clearly right now, we do have still another red day with outflows of almost 100 million. But this time, if you can see, BlackRock did not sell any of their Bitcoin. So this is also nice to see. Long versus shorts ratio for the day, you can see we do have more shorts. Even on Hyperliquid, the bigger whales are shorts and they are getting squeezed. As I have told you right here, once open interest comes down, CVD goes up and price starts rising like this, this means fresh shorts are opening up right here and they are driving the price towards the upside. So this is also nice to know and to watch out for. And I do believe that this would cover it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.